my channel. So first of all, I want to apologize for being gone. So as you guys know, for the new year, you kind of have to step back, reevaluate the things that you want to achieve in the new year. So that's exactly what I did. So if I haven't been on here, that is why, and I'm just clearing that up because a lot of people were like, Chrissy, where you at? And that's basically what I was doing, and I think that 31 days is more than enough time for me to figure out what I'm trying to do. So I'm really excited for you guys to see all of the new things to come, and I'm not going to say too much more. I'm super excited to get to this try on haul. I am partnering up with HoneyBum. If you guys haven't heard about them, they are online shopping boutique, so make sure you check them out. I will have all of the information in the description box below, all of the pieces names, all of my sizes. So yeah, make sure you guys also check out my 20% off coupon code. I will have that listed in the description box below. It will be Chrissy. So if you want some of these items, even if you don't see these items, you don't like them, check out their website and see what other pieces you like, and make sure you enter that discount code and get some money off. Okay, so the first item that I tried on was this little sweater crop top. I like the material of it just because I thought that it was a thinner material, and I also like that it's off the shoulders, and it's also long sleeve, and I like this little color. I love like dark colors like this. I like it. It's really comfortable and really thick. The material is very good quality. So this was one of the items that I really liked. The next item, and I'm going to be totally honest with you guys in this video, just in case you guys want to buy these items. You can see how it looks on me and how it fits me. So this was the next item that I got. This one was just something that I wouldn't wear in public, but I would wear like lounging around at my house, like editing or just doing a hair tutorial or something. So this is how it looks on the side and on the other side of the arm, and it has the matching shorts. So this is how the shorts look. Of course, they're super short on me, and yeah, they're like really mini. That's why I wouldn't wear these out in public, and it's like a velvet touch to it. This one was just like a comfy item. So the next item I got, honestly, I'm gonna say this was not my favorite pickup, and just because, I don't know, it didn't look like this on the picture when I picked it out. I thought it was leather, and I don't know, it's like the colors are really pastel looking, and I really don't know what I would wear this with. I don't know what I was thinking actually, but it's a size large. It fits well, but I just don't know how I feel about this pattern. I'm really into dark solid colors, so I'm not too sure why I picked out this pattern. So I don't know, y'all. We'll see. I'll definitely take a picture with it if I do decide to wear this, but I don't think I will. But somebody else may like it. Not my favorite though. The next item that I picked, I really like this one. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, make sure you do right here. I'm pretty much always wearing a cardigan or like a jean jacket or something of that sort. So I really love cardigans. It's something that I stack up on because you never know when you just need to throw something on. So this was just a green cardigan. I got this in a size large just because I wanted it to fit, you know, big and long and oversized. And it's long sleeve, and I really like this material. And what I like most about it is the bottom. It's like kind of distressed. It has these holes in it, and it's really heavy. So it's really good material, and I know so many ways that I can dress this up. The next item that I got is this green dress, but this is also not too much of my favorite. This is a medium. If you're like 5'3", this will be perfect for you because it's really short, and as you will see in the video that it came up really small on me, but it's a medium, and I have like a really slim frame, so it's not that it's just unflattering, it's just too small. So if it was a little longer, maybe I would feel different about it. So on to skirts and dresses. This was an item that I picked out. It's just this very simple gold skirt. Nothing major. It's just like a little bandage skirt. It's really, well, it's not really heavy, but it's like a heavy material. It's not thin or anything. So the next item is one of my favorite pieces also. This fit amazing. This wasn't like too short, and also I like that it's like that leather material. It has like these little holes on the side, and it gives like that very nice detail, and it also zips up in the back. And this is a size medium. I really like this. As you guys can see, I really like neutral colors, nudes, solid colors, so that pattern was just not cutting it for me. But I really like this item, and I definitely know how I want to dress this up, so that was one of my favorites also. Okay, so this is the last item. This is absolutely my favorite pickup. So it's just this white dress. Once again, this is super heavy, and I think it's because of this arm piece, y'all. This dress looks so good on. I could just like see this with a red lip, or even like a nude lip, slick down pony, or just like some bone straight hair, or like a bob, or even like a top knot bun. And this was a size medium. I feel like a small would have been too small, but these arms are super cute. I think it's so classy. This could be either really casual, or you can even dress this up, but this is super cute. It can go either way, and that's what I love. That basically concludes all the things that I picked up from HoneyBum. I want to check out more of their other clothes that they have on that side. I had to choose from a selection to show you guys this haul. I also want to like see what other items they have, just in case. I plan on ordering from there again, which I do believe I will. But like I said, I was being very honest. I think it was like only 3 pieces that wasn't too flattering on me. But I'm going to let you guys decide and see how you like it on me, and also how you think it will look on you if you decide to get these items. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say for this haul video. Make sure you check out their linked website that will be down below. Also, make sure you check out that 20% off coupon, just so you can get some coins off of your purchase. And thank you, HoneyBum, for sending me these items. I will be taking pictures in these, and I can't wait for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.